The Sidecar, Paris, 1920s, the drink of the Montmartre Café set. Pablo Picasso, Hemingway, Fitzgerald, and anyone else who could paint, write, or drink like they meant it. Cognac, Cointreau, and lemon. The original post-war cocktail. 3 ingredients make a Sidecar: cognac, Cointreau, and fresh lemon juice. The classic ratio is 2, 1, and 3/4. Start with 2 ounces of cognac. VS is the classic Sidecar choice. Hennessy or Remy Martin are the usual pours. Pierre Ferrand 1840 is the bartender's pick if you can find it. It's built in the bold pre-phylloxera style that Picasso's generation would actually have been drinking. 1 ounce of Cointreau, the gold standard for triple sec. Dry, bright, orange forward. Grand Marnier swaps in for a richer cognac-forward Sidecar. Avoid cheap triple sec. The sugar bomb throws the whole drink off balance. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Fresh squeezed only. This is a 3-ingredient drink. Every pour has to carry its weight. Bottled lemon is a Sidecar sin. Shake all 3 with ice hard for about 10 seconds. Strain into a chilled coupe. If you want the full Paris treatment, sugar the rim before pouring. Run a lemon wedge around it and dip in fine sugar. Garnish with a lemon twist and serve immediately. The Sidecar is the drink the 1920s got right. Balanced, citrus bright, and smooth enough to sip through a conversation about cubism. If Picasso had a home bar, this was probably on the menu. Santé. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.